Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So silver did hold here our larger support region and the prices moved on a little bit since last time. Ultimately not massive price action, nothing that is really clear and no major breakout. Silver is trending a little higher and there are some interesting developments now, however. And overall, obviously, we talked about this possible 5-wave move up that developed into the October highs. This here looks like an A-wave down, possible B-wave bounce. Resistance is between $32.18 and $33.70. And we could get a C-wave down lower before we really break out. This is already a possible breakout pattern. Not convinced by it that this is a wave 2, but I want to give it the chance. So basically, I am still looking for higher prices. I see two pathways and they are both going in the same direction, but below $28 I would change my perspective, right? And it would need to be a reinterpretation of the chart. So that means we can keep it quite simple actually. I see two pathways and they both overall point higher. One is short-term bearish, yes, but in the very short term they probably go both in the same direction, so it makes it quite convenient. So let's talk about the short-term bullish scenario. Here we have a low in place in wave 2 after a wave 1 topped in October. This here could already be a 5-wave move up, maybe a few more upside squiggles to 32.80 before a top is in, then a wave 2 pullback, then a third wave up, fourth wave down, fifth wave up, and we have the next set of 5 waves. But this would be the short-term bullish scenario. Invalidation point would be the November low. Here we talk about $29.60. That's one scenario. The other scenario is short-term bearish, where we say this is an A wave down. This is now A, B, C in wave B, and we move down in wave C before we go higher. Okay, you see, there is not really much difference. That means the main support that matters is at $28.02. And they eventually go both higher, but I have to change my view below $28. So there has to be a level where I have to change my view. Zooming in a little bit, now we can say, okay, you know, in the short-term bullish case, this here is a 5-wave move possibly complete. I mean, this is possible 5 waves in a diagonal. It might form one more high. But if we now get a pullback, even in the short-term bullish scenario, we should see the market test this level or these levels, yeah, this area between $30.18 and $31.24. This would be an ideal support zone for this internal 2 before we then go higher in wave 3, then get 4 and 5. Below $30.18, there's a sustained break below, and that's based on the latest high. So if it pushes higher, I would have to adjust this micro support area. But then the move down could be a wave C to a larger wave C. So this is the pivot. But as I said, in the short term, they probably move together because they might move together a little higher than here. And this is the area where it will be decided if it's the yellow count or the white count. Yeah, that's how I see silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.